Hezbollah, or Party of God, is a Shiite Muslim political and militant organization based in Lebanon. Here's a detailed overview of its history, structure, ideology, and activities. History and formation. Origins. Hezbollah emerged in the early 1980s during the Lebanese Civil War and in response to the Israeli invasion of Lebanon in 1982. It was initially formed with the support of Iran, particularly after the Iranian Revolution in 1979. Founding the group was officially established in 1985 with the aim of resisting Israeli occupation and advocating for Shiite rights in Lebanon. Ideology. Islamic Resistance. Hezbollah promotes a militant Islamic ideology, viewing armed struggle as a means to liberate Lebanon from foreign occupation, particularly from Israel. Iranian Influence. The organization has strong ties to Iran, which provides financial, military, and ideological support. Hezbollah views Iran's supreme leader as a key figure in its leadership. Structure. Political wing. Hezbollah operates within Lebanon's political system, holding seats in the Lebanese parliament and participating in government coalitions. Military wing. The group has a well-organized military structure and is considered one of the most powerful non-state armed groups in the region. Its military capabilities include a variety of weaponry, including rockets and drones. Social services. Hezbollah also provides social services, including education, healthcare, and infrastructure, which help build its support base within the Shiite community. Key events and conflicts. Hezbollah has engaged in multiple conflicts with Israel, most notably the 2006 Lebanon War, where the group launched rockets into northern Israel, leading to significant Israeli military retaliation. In recent years, Hezbollah has fought alongside the Syrian government in the Syrian Civil War, further extending its influence in the region. Various countries, including the United States and Israel, designate Hezbollah as a terrorist organization, while others view it as a legitimate resistance movement. Current status. Hezbollah plays a significant role in regional politics and conflicts, influencing not only Lebanese politics, but also the dynamics in Syria, Iraq, and beyond. The group faces challenges from internal Lebanese politics, economic crises, and opposition from other factions within Lebanon, as well as ongoing tensions with Israel. International relations. Iran continues to be a primary ally, providing financial and military assistance. Hezbollah maintains a close relationship with the Syrian government, which has been critical for its operational capabilities. The organization is often at odds with Western nations, particularly due to its militant activities and involvement in regional conflicts. Hezbollah remains a complex entity, balancing its roles as a militant group, political party, and social service provider. Its influence in Lebanon and the broader Middle East continues to shape regional dynamics and geopolitical relationships.